Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about reactivating a deleted Facebook account on your iOS or Android device. So basically if you're running the Facebook app. So if you have deleted your account, you have 30 days to recover it. If it's past 30 days, unfortunately you cannot recover your account. But if you're within a 30-day window, you should be able to recover it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So once you've signed into your account, just select the profile icon in the top right, and then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. You want to select the Settings button on this page, and then go underneath Account Center and select See More in Accounts Center. You want to go under Account Details where it says Personal Details and select that. Select the Account Ownership and Control option, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. And then at this point, you would go ahead and walk through your account that you have temporarily or permanently deleted, I guess, depending on your phrasing of it. And then you would have an option to reactivate or turn the account back on. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.